This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Michelle Davis. Don't miss this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom west/den villa in the pet-friendly, 55-plus community of Southshore Falls. Beautiful landscaping abounds everywhere. Freshly painted throughout and newly installed hurricane shutters, this open floor plan presents a spacious great room west/hardwood floors and separate dining area. The tiled kitchen has Corian counters, a breakfast bar and 42 maple cabinets with brand new stainless steel refrigerator, dishwasher, oven and microwave. Master bedroom suite, also with hardwood floors, offers a bathroom with dual sinks, a huge walk-in shower and walk-in closet. The split plan affords a carpeted second bedroom with privacy for your guests. There is a den/office/study to relax and watch TV or read a book. The extended, tiled, screened lanai is the perfect place to have your morning coffee and watch the abundant wildlife or have an evening cocktail with friends. HOA Fee covers grounds maintenance, roof washing and exterior painting. This gated community includes a clubhouse with a fitness center, a heated lagoon-style pool, tennis and pickleball courts, putting green and loads of activities. For more information, review the details below or contact Michelle Davis at 813-787-4413.